Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So the big news here is that a new AI tool that is called Abacus AI is making waves, and people are saying it just replaced VEO3 for AI video generation. And here is the kicker, it is almost 90% cheaper. So let's just break it down in today's video. So we need to understand what Abacus AI actually does. So Abacus AI is a platform that generates high quality AI videos from simple prompts. Instead of weeks of editing or expensive subscriptions, you can create ads, explainers, and cinematic clips in just a few minutes. Now, why it is actually beating BO3? First of all, its cost. Abacus AI is significantly cheaper, offering pro-level video outputs at a fraction of the price. The second thing is its speed. The rendering times are fast, making it practical for creators who need daily content. The quality is also very good. Early test shows that the results that rival BO3 in clarity, motion smoothness, and scene transitions. Now, if I talk about the standout features, it is going to give you AI avatars that lip sync accurately. You will be able to get customizable video templates for business, education, and social media. It is easy to export the options for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. And you are also going to get the built-in voice generation and subtitles at no extra tools needed. Now, small creators, marketers, and startups that couldn't afford VO3 now have a realistic option. Instead of outsourcing video production, they can do it all inside Abacus AI. Since it is very new, the library of the styles and the avatars isn't a big yet, but it is growing fast, and with such a huge price advantage, adoption is happening quickly. So yeah, Abacus AI might just replace VO3 for most of the creators. It is fast, cheaper, and good enough for professional use. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.